This is an interesting doodad. Watching this video about cruising. Cruising is the subject. And I'm looking at this picture of cruise ship in the background, waterway here. I see this bucket going across the screen. A bucket. I've never seen anything like that. I've watched a lot of cruise videos that showed the ports, the port cities. I've never seen a bucket on a wire crossing like this. I guess it's coming from this side here over to this side. That is very interesting because I've never seen anything like that before. And of course it's high enough up so the cruise ships can pass underneath. But helicopters, you better watch out. You'll never see that wire. You'll never see that wire as you fly over this waterway. Good luck, helicopter folks.